Hey everyone, today in this video I am going to show you 10 best features for video editor in Filmora 13. Filmora has introduced many new features in Filmora 13 and these are the best features for a video editor in Filmora. To access the intro maker, click on Influence Kit, then click on Start Creating, and now you can select the template of your choice and see the preview. Then click on Start Creating, then edit text and click on Finish, and it will create an intro for you. This feature allows user to create logo intro with a few clicks. Click on Start Creating, select the logo intro template of your choice and click on Start Creating. Then select your logo and replace the text and click on Finish, and you will get your logo intro on your timeline. Now to access them later to use on other projects, simply click on My File and select between intro and logo. Then drag and drop onto your timeline. Filmora offers a new and enhanced timeline. Now user can change the track name easily. Also offer a quick split mode option. Simply switch between mouse cursor to split, then place it on your video clip and left click on mouse to split the track without affecting the other tracks. Filmora 13 offers another best feature for creator is compound clip. Now you can easily convert multiple clips to a single clip using a compound clip option. Also, you can adjust the scale, position and rotation of all the clips in a compound clip together for further editing. Filmora 13 offers another cool feature called curved text. Just select your text, go to the setting panel, scroll down and you will get an option of shape. Click on it and you will get 4 types of presets and strength slider. With slider you can adjust the text angle from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Filmora AI Music Generator allows user to generate AI music. Go to the Audio tab, select AI Music Generator, then select the mood, then select the theme and then select the genre. Under Settings, you can adjust the tempo, music duration and generate music count. Then click on Generate and AI will generate AI music for you on your selection basis. With Filmora, you can do the color correction of your footage with ease. Filmora 13 offers new camera alert presets. You can choose presets or you can do a color correction or color grading manually using color section, light section, HSL, curves and color wheel. And after color correction, you can see the side-by-side comparison. Filmora 13 introduced a new Filters tab where you will get 500 plus filters best fit for any kind of videos, whether you are editing vlog or editing different camera footages like filters for Canon, Nikon, Panasonic, Sony, GoPro and DJI drone. Check out this massive filters library and take your editing skill to the next level with drag and drop filters. Filmora has a wide effects library for every creators. Whether you are editing a music video, vlogs, how-to videos, Filmora has effects for every kind of video like retro effects, glitch effects, zoom effects, particles, lights and more. Just drag and drop effect onto your timeline and you are good to go. Filmora 13 offers a wide range of transitions. Best fit for any kind of video editor or content creator. You will get dissolve, zoom transitions, slides, speed blur and much more. Just drag and drop transition on your clip, adjust the duration and you are good to go. Filmora 13 recently introduced a AI sticker feature. Now you can generate a sticker by writing a prompt. Simply go to the sticker and you will get a new option of AI stickers. Click on it and you will see a prompt panel with 5 different styles for sticker. Write a prompt, then choose the style of your choice from 3D, sketch, vector, crystal and illustration. Then click on generate and you will get awesome AI generated stickers. So guys, these are the best 10 features in Filmora for video editor. Download the Filmora latest version or update your version and enjoy amazing features in Filmora. See you in the next video.
But I've lost